it tomorrow. I said the treatment now they tell me say make I wait till tomorrow. So finally they come carry me go the bed. I no see fan when they say the woman say you won't bring come. And that place when I dey, my body don dey hurt me already. I don't dey in pain, my heart dey beat. My husband never come. I never see anybody at that moment that they road they come. When they come finally put me for bed, the matron, because I'm matron, I want doctor na dey that place with some other, well, like the nurse, they be like IT students, they be like people when I even know the work, I no just know. So when they come finally put me for bed, they go say they go peel the skin. I don't know anything concerning fire burns, anything. I don't know. When the woman begin peel the matron and one of the nurses do IT, I don't know. When they come begin peel am, how come they say they pay me? I say they pay me. Yes, na so they do. I say I make it take am easy now. They just say peel am like say I am. They peel. I say, if na pain relief me they give me, ma fit pay the pain because my heart they burn me. At that point, you know say something no do you no go know as e dey be. People wey fire don burn, na heart dey for the hear am. E be like say they cook am, they boil am. I tell am say I no fit because say there is no pain relief, that they have run out of pain relief. That they have run out of pain relief. That before they will get pain relief is till tomorrow. I gonna say no. He said, you go wait. I said, I no go wait till tomorrow. I said, I no go wait till tomorrow. I said, I need treatment now. They tell me say I can wait till tomorrow. Now the woman come begin pillar. The woman begin pillar. During the process of the peeling, I don't feel any pain. The next thing when I see myself, na middle of the night, I see my husband and my mom see they say they come and see, say don't think when they come. We even see they carry scissors, carry this thing like say that they go fight man or one fight. This one they peel, this one they peel. The thing just tire me that very day. My heart no fit carry am. I see myself for coma. When I wake up, and they tell me say they meet me, they sleep. I say, when I take sleep, I don't know. They don't peel my two leg. They don't peel this hand. They can still peel. This one burn too, but this one here where he burn me reach here. You see deep some parts the way if you see. They don't peel my two hands and my two leg. My face, they no touch am because bless they no feel peel the face, so they just leave am like that. And because you see the face, it can't heal like this.